I came to Anatara, and immediately I was struck with the time allotted for each patient, the questions, the testing. It really felt like they took a long time to get to know my history, my medical history, where I was now, and what I wanted to see as improvements in my own health. It was a striking difference between what I was used to.
Anatara really knows how to get in there and kind of pinpoint quickly what the issue is. And sometimes they'll find other issues because of that one issue. And so they'll be able to not only treat that, but treat the other one.
You're getting so much time and attention, and people are actually being extra careful to double, triple check things to see if perhaps it's not the most obvious cause or if it's something else. So people are very thorough, very attentive.
I've spent a lot of time with the doctors describing the issue and then discussing what is it that we should do to figure out what's going on. At the end, we've done a battery of tests, everything imaginable and even not imaginable. And because of that, I think we were able to identify the root cause of what was happening, helping me along the way.
They work on the holistic system in a way that, has been completely life-changing and changed the trajectory of my whole life.
What I found amazing about Anatara is the way that they have combined, synthesized, and embody this wonderful combination of integrative holistic medicine and truly alternative care with cutting-edge treatments that I've not seen anywhere else.
Because of their approach, this functional medicine approach, getting to the root of the problem, root cause, something that my healthcare provider exactly does not do.
What they do really well here is look at the whole person, look at your entire health portfolio. So it's not just a one metric or two metrics, but it's like, let's look at all these different things and holistically and see, okay, so how are we going to bump this up, which is going to help support that, which is going to help support that, right? And it really is a scaffolded approach.
My favorite thing about coming here is the staff is amazing. Everybody is so sweet, kind, genuine.
Humans need connection and support, and the way the Anatara team comes together and they're aligned around a common vision and connection, like it makes you feel like you're walking into a group of people who they're healers. They want you to feel better. They want you to feel good.
I brought my family in as well, and I don't hesitate to recommend the practice to folks who experience an issue that they are struggling to solve. And I have to say that the doctors are world-class doctors.
I would highly recommend Anatara because the staff is very friendly. Just as a small example, I coughed and I was just like, let me just cough this out. It's probably nothing. But as soon as I made that first cough, somebody was there and was just like, I heard you coughing. And they're like, how long were you coughing for? I was like, actually, just now.
In a way, it ended up being a silver lining, I feel, even having that initial diagnosis, because I feel I've done so much for my health and living a longer, healthier life by coming here and everything that's opened me up to.
So I feel like I've received my life back. I went from, on a day-to-day basis, thinking I might not get out of this alive, to planning actively to attend my daughter's graduation in May. So I couldn't be more grateful.
To be able to have a team of people who really are looking at my health on many levels and my data and are all focused around getting me to that point of return to health, I can't imagine going anyplace else. It really matters.